So I'm gonna teach the topic transformation of equation. Transformation of equation in algebra. So transformation of equation in algebra. Okay. Suppose I am solving a question. We are given with an equation. The question is that one equation is given. One equation x is q plus px square plus qx plus r is equals to 0 has three roots: alpha, beta, gamma. Now find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta by gamma, beta plus gamma by alpha, and gamma plus alpha by beta. So this is a given question given to us. This is a given equation. It has three roots: alpha, beta, gamma, and we have to find out an equation whose roots are these three. So how we will transform this equation into an equation whose roots are these three? So at first what information is given to us, that x is cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equals to 0. This is one equation. Let us say equation 1. This has three roots: alpha, beta, gamma are roots of 1. Now we can write some relations between alpha, beta and gamma from this equation. So sum of these three roots, alpha, beta and gamma, will be the coefficient of x square, will be minus of the coefficient of x square in this equation p. So this is formula. Basically this is a formula, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to the coefficient plus of the coefficient of x, that is q, and alpha beta gamma, the product of these two equations is the constant, in this given equation, it is r. This will be applicable for all the equations which has 3 as a highest power of x. Now we got three relations. Now we will take one root. This, suppose I am taking the first, alpha plus beta by gamma. Now I have to modify this equations, this one, in such a way such that I am left with only one variable, with only one one single type of variable. Okay, so this I can write as alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma by gamma. Okay, so now here if I put the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma from here, then we will see that except gamma, the remaining will be a constant. So alpha plus beta plus gamma from here is minus p. So minus p minus gamma plus gamma. So see, I modified this in such a way that we are left with only one type of variable, not three variables. We are left with only one variable. Okay. Okay. Now we will assume. Let us assume that minus p minus gamma by gamma is equals to y. Now we know that gamma is a root of equation 1. So if we put gamma in place of x in equation 1, then this equation will become 0, since gamma is a root of equation 1. Therefore we will write x in place of gamma here, that is minus p minus x by x is equals to y. Okay, now from here we have to find out the value of x. So minus p minus x is equals to xy or minus xy is equals to p, or x minus 1 minus y is equals to p, or x is equals to p by minus 1 minus y. So equals to minus p 1 plus y. Okay, so from here we got the value of x. Now let us write this as equation 3. That is x is equals to minus p by 1 plus y. This is our equation 3. Now we will put this value of x from equation 3 in equation 1. So putting the value of x from 3 in 1, we get minus p cube by 1 plus y cube plus p into p square by 1 plus y square plus q x plus r is equals to 0. Now we will multiply both the sides of this equation by 1 plus y cube. So multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 plus y whole cube, we get minus p cube plus 1 plus y p cube plus 1 plus y square qp plus r 1 plus y cube is equals to 0. Okay, so we got this by multiplying both the sides of this equation by 1 plus y whole cube. So we will simply write this as r 1 plus y cube minus qp 1 plus y square plus 1 plus y p cube minus p cube is equals to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, so now replacing y by x, what we get? R 1 plus x cube minus qp 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x p cube minus p cube is equals to 0. So this is the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta by gamma, beta plus gamma by alpha, and gamma plus alpha by beta. So once we will recap what we did, that is, at first we just found out the relations. We just have written the relations between alpha, beta and gamma from this equation 1, and then which are basic formulas, that is the summation of alpha, beta and gamma. Summation of the roots is the coefficient of x square minus of the coefficient of x square, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to the coefficient of x, and alpha beta gamma is equals to the constant in this equation. Now we were said to find the equation whose roots are this 3. So we took only one root and we have written in this such a form that we are left with only one variable. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, we write the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma from here over here. So now this we assumed as y. From there we found out the value of x. Now we will put the value of x from here in equation 1. We will get an equation in y. Just we will replace y by x. That will give us the required equation whose roots are this 3.